Are you trying to decide if it makes more sense to rent or buy a home today? And if so, here's what you need to know. Renting and owning are fundamentally different in so many ways, and owning a home has the power to change your life. Take a look at this. The net worth of a homeowner is significantly greater than a renter. On average, a homeowner's net worth is about $300,000. On the other hand, a renter's is about $8,000. Let that sink in for a minute. That means a homeowner's net worth is roughly 40 times greater than a renter's. Now, why is that? Well, one reason is when you are renting, your monthly payment just goes to your housing costs, but doesn't have any long-term benefit. And when you own, your monthly payment and any house price appreciation builds your equity, and that equity gives your net worth a boost over time. I know mortgage rates feel high today, but it may still make sense to buy a home when you consider its long-term benefit of investing back into yourself. Let's connect and go over the real impact of homeownership versus renting.